Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friend, we are going to talk about guys, how can we turn off our phone ringtone in our Redmi phone. Friends, you want to off your ringtone guys, so you can off, and guys you don't want to set any ringtone, so you can do not set guys and ringtone guys. You can off your phone ringtone volume in your Redmi phone. Today I will show you how to turn off phone ringtone in our Redmi phone. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like my video. First of all guys, we will on our phone setting to turn off ringtone, and we will scroll it. Friends, you can see sound and vibration setting. Friends, tap here. Guys, click on the phone ringtone setting. Then guys, click on this all ringtone setting. Guys, tap here. As you can see default ringtone. Guys, you can see do not set ringtone. So guys, tap here to do not set ringtone. Applied successfully. As you can see guys, no option guys. There is no any ringtone volume. You can see guys in your Redmi phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends. Thanks for watching the video guys.